Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to enable notifications in Safari on Mac. So first of all, let's navigate to the Safari browser and click on it to open. Once Safari is open, move to the top left corner of the screen and click on Safari from the menu bar. From this drop-down menu, click on Settings. A new settings panel will pop up on your Mac screen. Let's go to this panel and open the website section. In this section, on the left side, you will see some options. If you scroll down a little, you will find the notifications option. Click on it to open. Now on the right side, you will see a list of websites that have asked for permission to show alerts in the notification center. If you want Safari to ask for permission whenever a new website wants to send notifications, make sure the option Allow websites to ask for permission to send notifications is checked at the bottom. This way, whenever you visit a website that supports notifications, Safari will ask you whether you want to allow them or not. And that's it. This is how you can enable notifications in Safari on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.